everyone, this week we are back with another blacksmithing video. This week I don't have any of my equipment with me, but I'm up here at university and I decided to forge myself a pair of scissors or shears from a old Farrier's file using the equipment that my blacksmithing club that I started has.
It's going. We should go from the other side. We get bigger. Be free to hit it. I know it's one thing. Oh, it does? Yeah, we'll fit it again. Oh, damn.
Having hot metal right there could do that.
Who knew? No idea.
So I tried to manually punch a hole in this one, and it resulted in it having a lot of a bend. So when I eventually get to heat treating this, I'm going to straighten it out and make it line up, because this one, which I drilled the hole in, is very nice and straight, and punching the hole really just bent this badly. So I won't be heat treating it today, but in the future I will be, and I will straighten that out. It's obviously not hammered together, but so we're going to have to work on the cutting part of it. I need to heat treat it. I don't have time this week to heat treat it, but I will be heat treating it in the future. I just wanted to get it to, a nice shape. So we've got, on this, we've got, a little bit of a bevel that works its way down along here. And then we've got the real edge there that started. And I have to heat treat it to actually get it to harden, and then straighten this piece out. And once this piece is straightened out, they will hopefully line up really nicely on this axis right here to where they will cut together. Okay, as you can see, this came out pretty nicely. I haven't done any heat treating or cleanup work yet on it. I mean, I've obviously ground the bevel into it and everything like that, but in terms of the final put together product, it's not gonna happen quite yet because we don't have stuff up here to do heat treating yet, and I do want to have a nice sharp edge on it. And I also do need to straighten out that one side of the scissor. It's a little bent from when I tried to punch a hole in it. Otherwise, I'd say this project went really well. I'm very happy with how nice this pair of scissors came out. I wasn't expecting to get it this nice on the first try, and I did actually have another file as a backup just in case this one didn't go too well. Okay, that's all I have for you this week. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider leaving a like and subscribing if you did. And I will see you next week. Bye!